All right, so let us take a look at the last question for today. So we have that express 2 root of 5 plus 5 root of 2 in the form, all over 3 root of 5 minus 5 root of 2 in the form q plus r root of x, where q, r, and s are rational numbers. So if we are to look at this now, we are going to have it as 2 root of 5 plus 5 root of 2 all over 3 root of 5 minus 5 root of 2. So if we are to rationalize now, in the first bracket we are going to have 2 root of 5 plus 5 root of 2. And then if we are to multiply by the denominator here now, our minus sign is going to change to plus. So we are going to have 3 root of 5 plus 5 root of 2. Then all over the denominator itself, which is 3 root of 5 minus 5 root of 2. Let me write that 5 very well. And then in the other bracket, it's going to change to plus sign. We are going to have 3 root of 5 plus 5 root of 2. So by the time we expand the bracket now, 2 times 3 will give us 6. Then 5 times 5 will have 25. Then we'll have our plus. 2 times 5 is 10. Then 5 times 2 is 10. Then we're going to have this plus here. 5 times 3 is 15. Then 2 times 5 is 10. Then plus 5 times 5 is 25. Then 2 times 2, we are going to have 4. All over 3 times 3 is 9. Then 5 times 5 is 25. Then plus 3 times 5 is 15. Then 5 times 2 is 10. Then we have minus 5 times 3 is 15. Then 2 times 5 is 10. Then plus and minus will give us minus. Give us minus 5 times 5 is 25. And then 2 times 2 is 4. So from here now, we can now proceed to say that square root of 25 here is 5. So 5 times 6, we are going to have 30 plus 10 root 10 plus 15 root 10. They are similar sort because they have 10 under the square root sign. So 10 plus 15 will give us what? 25 root of 10. Then plus the square root of 2 or 4 there is 2. So 2 times 25 is what? 50. Then all over square root of 25 here is 5. 9 times 5 is 45. Then plus 15 root 10 minus 15 root 10, because they are similar, so 15 minus 15 is 0. So that one is gone. So we'll bring our minus. Then square root of 4 is 2. So 2 times 25 is 50. So from here now, we can now have it as, if we rearrange, we are going to have 30 plus 50 plus 25 root of 10 all over. So 45 minus 50, we are going to have it as minus 5. So here we are going to have 80 plus 25 root of what? 10 divided by what? Minus 5. So if we are to divide by minus 5 now, we should have minus 80 over 5. So minus and plus should give us minus. So we are going to have 25 root of 10 all over what? All over 5. So 80 divided by 5 minus 80 divided by 5. Now we're going to have minus 16 minus, so 25 divided by 5 here is 5. So we're going to have 5 root of 10. So therefore we have been able to what? To express this in this form. So that means therefore our q is equals to what? Minus 16. While our r root of s, sorry, q is minus 16. Our r is what? minus 5, and then our s is equals to 10. So in that format now, which is q plus r root of what? Of s. So if you look at this now, what we have here is what? There is a plus there. Are we there now? So if we are to put it in that form now, it will now be, so we can factorize the minus out. So we are going to have minus in bracket, we should have 16, and then we are going to have plus 5 root of what? 10. So we have been able to put it in this form because what we have there is plus. So we have been able to put it in this form. So that's the reason why we have to factorize the minus out. So with this, we've come to the end of the topic on sort. If you have any question, please ensure you leave them in the comment section so we can do video on them. And if you want to send us a screenshot, so you can contact us via WhatsApp on 090 30 196246. I repeat, 090 30 196246.